So ladies and gentlemen, I have a 2011 Volvo V60. It's a D3, so it's an automatic, and the problem is it will not start whatsoever. So what I'm doing is I'm checking the fuses. They all seem absolutely fine. There is no issue with the battery, because I'll show you what happens when I try to turn on the car. If there's an issue with the battery, it will cause like a clicking noise, like click 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 click, and it will generally show on the dash. You'll be able to tell if your battery is running low. However, what happens in my situation is that I can hear one loud click coming from this end. It goes like click, like that, whenever I try to turn on the car. Start, nothing happens. But there is a huge click, and I'm gonna do a small test to see whether it's actually this cable right here, this one cable here, this one, it's got a fuse right over there. So it's got a small fuse that will apparently it's supposed to prevent too much voltage going into the starter motor, which is located right there. So then what I've done now is I have plugged one of the positive cables, jump start cables, to the alternator, to the starter motor, and I have disconnected this starter motor battery cable. This is what Volvo calls it. It's this one here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this and plug it directly here, meaning it has a direct supply of voltage straight to the starter motor, to see if it starts. And if it does start, then we 100% know that it's this little cable, the fuse inside the cable, that's not working, which, as you can see, this fuse is right here, and that means we just need a new cable. So now we know that this cable is definitely the culprit. The end, guys.